أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 1 to 10 of Surah Al-Buruj. Okay, the remaining ayahs inshallah let's complete tomorrow. So first I'm going to recite this surah, that is ayah number 1 to 10. After that inshallah let's look into tajweed rulings inshallah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود. قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. Alhamdulillah. So only these 10 ayahs we're going to learn today. Very easy and short as well. Let's complete it soon. Okay, first is ayah number 1. والسماء ذات البروج. Okay. والسماء. Waw is connected to the scene, okay, of the word as-samai. Waw is separated. As-samai is separate word. والسماء. Alif maddiya followed by Hamza. Mad due to Hamza. 4 haraka or 5 haraka, and we're just keeping it 4. Okay, mad al wajib muttasil, where the huruf al mad and hamza is attached in a same word. 4 haraka is mandatory, wajib. والسماء ذاتي. Zal, no buzzing sound, not zati. Okay, ذاتي, connect this ta to lam. ذاتي البروج. Boo is light, Ra is heavy. Don't make this boo heavy like boo, 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 boo. Buruj. Jeem will acquire temporary sukoon during waqf, and also there is huruf al-maddiya, so we will apply the ruling of madul arid li sukoon. That is the mad which is due to waqf and arid sukoon, and that duration of that mad is 2 haraka or 4 haraka or 6 haraka. We can keep it either 2 or 4 or 6. So we are going to keep it 4 throughout the tilawa. Okay, that will be a moderate thing inshallah. And while stopping, the jeem will acquire sakin, right? When jeem acquires sakin, what to do? Qalqala. We will not recite it like buruj. It should be buruj. Buruj. Okay, that qalqala should be there inshallah. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود. واليوم. Waw is connected to lam, this connecting hamza. Hamzatul wasl is not read. واليوم, not yomi, and also don't stretch it like واليوم, because this is not huruf al-mad here, it is huruf al-leen. No mad al-leen is applied, just واليوم, yaumi, not yomi. واليوم, connect meme to lam of word al-maw'ud. واليوم الموعود, not mo, it is a mau again. Make sure to pronounce this vowel incorrect here. Yaumi, mau, mau. موعود. Ain correctly from middle part of your throat. Push the epiglottis backward. موعود. Again, dal will require temporary sukoon, so we are going to apply mad al-arid li-sukoon here for 4 count and also qalqala on this dal. Okay. واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود. وشاهد وشاهد شين تو حركة from last part of the throat. وشاهد. Tanween followed by wow. We will do idgham with 2 haraka gunna. Idgham ma'al gunna. You will have to merge this tanween with wow. Shahidun wa 2 count gunna. The sound will be diyun wa. Okay. Wa shahidun wa. Okay. وشاهد ومشهود. مشهود ha from last part of the throat, and again while stopping mad al-arid li-sukoon. We will keep it just for 4 haraka, and this dal which acquires sukoon will be pronounced with the qalqala. مشهود. do. Okay. وشاهد ومشهود. قتل أصحاب الأخدود. قتل, not ختل or كتل, it is قتل. قتل أصحاب, not أصحاب. As is light. As. Heaviness is there, right? You have to keep that heaviness, and also this ha is wrong. It should be ha. أصحاب. Okay. قتل أصحاب connect back to lam. Bul ukhdud. Qalqala like it is okay. ukhdud. While stopping mad al-arid li-sukoon, we are keeping it 4 haraka and also qalqala on dal. قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود. النار noon mushaddad 2 count gunna, and this hamzat al-wasl which has no haraka on it, we will apply fatha. Why? Because the next letter is lam, the word al, so it is always fatha. النار noon mushaddad 2 count gunna, and there is alif maddi as well, so 2 haraka stretching. So just to this noon you'll have to take complete 4 count, 2 count for gunna, 2 count for stretching. النار ذاتي. The again no buzzing sound, no za. Okay. ذات الوقود. Waqud, qaf should not sound like a kha or kaf. Okay, no hums in it. If you do hums, either it will convert to kaf or it will convert to kha. Both the kaf and kha are the letter of hums. This is a letter of jahar with no extra air or inclusion of your breath. Just pronounce it waqud. Okay, from the last part of the tongue touching your upper soft palate. Dal again while stopping with the qalqala, and also we can apply madul arid lis-sukoon here, which can be stretched for 2 haraka or 4 or 6, but we are just keeping it 4 inshallah. النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود. إذ هم Dhal with no buzzing sound, don't say is. Okay, إذ هم, ha from last part of your throat. Mim sakin is followed by ayn, therefore no extra gunna, just idhar ash-shafawi. Pronounce it clearly. Idhum alayha, not hamza, ayn. Alayha, not alayha, la is wrong, lay. Alayha, ha to count. Qu'ud, qaf again, no pronunciation like kha or kaf. and ayn from the middle part of a throat. Don't convert that to hamza. And dal sakina with the qalqala while stopping. We can apply madul arid lisukun. idhum alayha qu'ud. Qu'ud. Okay. وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. وهم, why is there tajdeed on wow? Because the previous word of the previous ayah is ending with tanween. While connecting, if you want to connect these two ayahs, then you will recite قعود وهم على قعود قعود. Okay, but now we are not connecting, so tajdeed will be excluded there. Okay. وهم على mim sakin, no extra gunna, izhar al-shafawi. وهم على not ala, على lam 2 count, alif makhsura. على ما 2 haraka. يفعلون, don't do qalqala like يفعلون. That is wrong. يفعلون. Ayn is very important here, or the word will become meaningless. Not يفعلون. علون. Okay. ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين. Connect ba to lam. بالمؤمنين. This word especially we mispronounce it many times because we use this in Urdu as well. We say in Urdu momin, momo, and hamza without any jerk. So we pronounce the same thing in Arabic in the Quran as well, and we say bil mominina. Mo is wrong, it is mu, and also this hamza is valid there. You just cannot remove it and say muminina, right? Mu'minina. That is important, or else the word is meaningless. Bil mu'minina. Not mu'minina or mu'minina. مؤمنين بالمؤمنين شهود. While stopping again, madul arid lisukun, and dal will convert to dal sakina, right? So we will apply qalqala as well. وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد. وما to count. وما نقموا qaf will become light there. You should make it little heavier. نقموا. وما نقموا منهم. No qunna on this noon sakin because the next letter is ha, just izhar, and no extra qunna on this mim sakin as well because the next letter is hamza, izhar ash-shafawi. This is izhar of throat, that is haqiqi, that is the izhar of huruf al-halqi, and here mim sakin is followed by hamza, that is why izhar ash-shafawi. Minhum illa. Lam mushaddad, emphasize it, and alif mad is followed by hamza, mad due to hamza, 4 count or 5 count. We kept it 4 in the beginning, so 4 throughout the session. Okay, and this is mad al jayaz munfasil, separated hamza mad. Okay. Illa an yu'minu. An followed by ya, noon sakin followed by ya, due to haraka gunna. The 2 haraka nasalization should be there, 2 count gunna. yu'minu. That jerk, the kataf sound, the qata should be there. yu'minu billahi. Ba has kasra, that is why lam al jalala is light. Okay, due to this kasra, lam al jalala is light. Billahi, not law. Billahi. yu'minu billahi. Ha is connected to lam. Billahi al-azizi. Not hamza, we just say aziz. Aziz is wrong. It is a. Okay. Azizi. And remember, the za here is not a letter of hums. You should not include any kind of extra air in it. Just like there in seen, which is pronounced from the same makhraj, seen and za differs with this sifat. What is it? Seen is a letter of hums, za is a letter of jahar. If you include little bit extra air in that za, it will be a mixture of za and seen. Many sisters do this, pronouncing it like azizi, azizi, z, whereas c and S and za sound merges together and forms a different kind of sound. If you do hums in za, it will convert to seen, okay? Or else it will look like that with a whistling sound. This has the buzzing sound, okay? Billahil azizi, not azizi, azizi. See, the mixture of seen and za should not be there. Billahil azizi, azizi, just like a z, not like S and z together. Aziz al-Hamid, ha very sharp, and while stopping due to waqf, madul adid sukun will be applied and dal will have a temporary sukun, due to which we will do qalqala on that dal, okay? وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. الذي همزة الوصل will acquire fatha. الذي, not الذي, no buzzing sound here. الذي له madal sila sughra, 2 count, stretch for this ha with inverted dhamma. له mulku, connect this kaf to seen. له ملك السماوات, ملك السماوات, mim and waw for 2 count. ملك السماوات والأرض. Wal, hamza is light, don't make that heavy due to the surah sakin and dad, okay? Don't recite ord. Ord will be wrong. Wal ard, ard. And dad is a letter of rikhava, where the sound will flow. If you pronounce it with the shidda, then you will end up doing qalqala like ardu, ardu. Don't do that. When you touch your sides of the tongue, hafatul lisan, edges of your tongue to the upper gums of molar and premolar teeth, you just keep the tongue over there for minimum half an haraka at least. If you remove it quickly from there, it will sound like qalqala wal ard. Don't remove it quickly. Just keep it there and let the sound flow. Wal ard, wal ard. In this way, you just keep it there and make it flow. The sound should flow a little bit, just like how letter seen, the sound flows, right? As, because that is the letter of rikhava as well. Here also wal in this way it should flow a little, okay? الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض. And better to stop here, as there is waqf al-mutlaq. Mutlaq means absolute stopping, gives a better meaning if you stop here rather than connecting, okay? والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. Wallahu, lam al jalala. Here it is heavy due to this fatha. Here it was light because lam al jalala has kasra before it. Here it will be heavy. Wallahu, how to make it heavy? Doing isti'ala, okay? Wallahu, raise the back portion of your tongue. Wallahu, Allahu, wallahu ala, not hamza, not ala, ala kulli shay'in, not shayn. Shayn is wrong. Shayn is also wrong. Shay'in, shay'in. Tanween followed by sheen. Do ikhfa, hiding that tanween in the nasal cavity, that is nasalization for 2 count. Shay'in shaheed, shay'in shaheed. While stopping, madul arid lis-sukun is applied, which we can stretch for 2, 4 or 6 count, but we are just keeping it 4, and this dal will acquire temporary sukun, right? Due to which we will do qalqala on that dal, okay? Don't miss that qalqala. All the ayahs here has qalqala at the end. You should not miss that, inshallah. الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. إن الذين نون مشدد to can غنة and connect that to this lam of the word الذين and no buzzing sound in this dal. Okay. إن الذين فتنوا this is actually waw maddiya. Dhamma is followed by waw sakina. Why is there no sakin? Just to indicate that next word is beginning with hamzatul wasl. Iltaqa sakinain ruling will be applied. Mad will get cancelled, so you should not read that mad. Therefore, no sakin is there. But if you want to stop here due to any reason, break in your breath or any reason, if you want to stop here, you will recite Innal ladhina fatanu. 2 count only. As there is no sakin, you should not say no sign, no sound. That ruling won't be applied. For this, you need extra tajweed rulings to learn that. Iltaqa sakinain. While stopping, you should read this. This sakin is cancelled due to the connection. Okay. Innal ladhina fatanu. Innal ladhina fatanul mu'minina. Fatanul mu'minina. Connect noon to lam. This hamzatul wasl is cancelled. This extra alif is cancelled. This waw sakina is cancelled. Fatanul mu'minina. Not mominina again. Don't recite it mominina, just like how we say in Urdu momin without even doing a jerk on that hamza. There should be a cut off sound. Mu'minina. Mu'minina wal mu'minati. Again same thing. Wal mu'minati. You should, tomorrow while reciting, you should never say that mu'minina wal mu'minati. Okay, keep this in your mind, inshallah. Fatanul mu'minina wal mu'minati. Summa, not summa. Su. This is seen. Su, no whistling sound. Summa, mim mushaddad to kan gunna. Lam, mim sakin followed by ya. No extra gunna is required, just izhar shafawi. Lam yatubu. Both for 2 to count. This alif is extra alif, okay? Lam yatubu. Falahum. Ha from last part of the throat. Mim sakin is followed by ain, so don't do any extra gunna here, okay? Thumma lam yatubu falahum adhabu jahannama. Adhabu, not azabu. In Urdu we say azab, right? Ain will be converted to hamza, zal will be converted to za, but here it is not azab, it is azabu. Azabu. Okay. Jahannama. Noon mushaddad to kan gunna. Jahannama. Walahum. Again mim sakin followed by ain. No extra gunna. Izhar shafawi. Walahum adhabul hariq. Adhabu. Again don't do that conversion of dal to za. No buzzing sound here, and ain is ain, not hamza. Adhabul, ba to lam connected. Adhabul hariq. Ha, very sharp. Hariq. Qaf will acquire temporary sukoon, so we will apply qalqala on it. And also while stopping, we can apply madul arid lisukun, which has 3 conditions. First is stopping, we are doing waqf. Second condition is the last letter should acquire sakin, it will acquire, and the letter before it should be huruf al-maddiya, and there is huruf al-maddiya. So now we have a choice of stretching this mad for either 2 haraka, that is normal, ya maddiya, or 4 count, or 6 count. We will just keep it moderate. Throughout the session we kept it 4, so here also 4. Okay. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. Okay, that is enough for today. Alhamdulillah. Let's learn the remaining ayahs, inshallah, tomorrow. Okay, fine. After that, inshallah, you will recite this to me. Complete 4 days will be given for you to recite these ayahs. Just 22 ayahs, but complete 4 days. Alhamdulillah. Practice well, inshallah. The video will be uploaded soon. Practice again and again. So let's end the meeting now, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم